Greetings and welcome to PinballHelp. Mike here. Today, work continues on this Stern NBA, and I thought I would do a short video on tips for cleaning hard to clean playfields. As you can see, I've got this little thing here, and I'm going to share with you this trick, which is somewhat controversial among certain people in the pinball community. But sometimes you have such grime on the pinball playfield that if you really want to get rid of it, you have to use something slightly abrasive. Normally, I do not advise using anything but water, some kind of simple green cleaner and some wax on playfields. Minimize the water exposure that you get on the top. It depends on the era of the game and whether it's clear coated or not. In this case, this game was clear coated. It was a long time ago. It was a relatively thin clear coat, and a good bit of that clear coat has been kind of worn. It's very dull. I'm looking forward to seeing how this playfield will pop when I put some wax on it. So what I basically have been doing is just cleaning it little by little using a paper towel and simple green, your standard kind of decent kind of stuff like that. I like to spray on a towel and then rub on the playfield. And you can see the shine comes out when it's wet, but when it dries, it's kind of dull. So this playfield has been kind of worn. The sheen is kind of off of it. So I'm just going over it little by little, trying to get as much as I can. You don't really want to use anything abrasive on the main playfield, but every once in a while you come across areas where it's just really grimy. See right here, this is a captive ball, and you see that dark streak there. No matter how much I go over it with the simple green and the paper towel, it's not coming up. That's pretty in there. I don't know if you can see that. So it's there. It's a dark. And the same thing up here in the top between these flippers. See right here? This is pretty bad. I'll be able to get some of it off. But you see, no matter how I rub, it's not even coming off on the cloth. It's kind of embedded into the clear coat. So it's going to take a little bit of work, but I'm going to show you the trick with this stuff is to use a melamine pad. Now, again, as I said, I don't recommend using this to clean all kinds of stuff because this will take the clear coat off of your machine. It's a light abrasive, and it will actually remove paint off of the machine if you do it too much. I'm doing it just light enough to get these ugly marks here off. If you bear down on it too much, you're going to take paint. You're going to take the clear coat. So use it sparingly. But something like this really does work wonders. You see that it's already starting to come off. And use it in specific spots. I would never use this in a major area of the playfield where there might be a lot more wear. You can see it's already starting to come clean. A lot of people swear by these, and they absolutely do work, but they can take a little too much off the playfield, which is not a good thing. But if you've got a really grody playfield, this will work wonders. Just be careful. That's all. Just be careful. It is pretty amazing how good it is. And now, the brand of these is the Mr. Magic Erasers. But, you can use just a regular piece of melamine. It's kind of like a foam thing. And these guys work very well. Now, if you look at that, look how nice that is. I'm not going to go, I'm not going to go too crazy and try to get every little spot, because the process of getting one little spot with a big pad like this, I can likely start to wear away areas that are already clean. So I'm going to be careful, but I want to kind of get like that. And of course, you can polish it using some polishing compound and a nice polishing rag, and work it a little bit better. And I'm going to continue to. I would not use this. I'm not going to use this over the the playfield proper. I just won't go like that. I mean, it can definitely shine the playfield up, but it can also take away a little more than I want it to take away. So I won't use it except in certain spots. So I'll probably use it up there, and up in here, get that off, and it'll work a lot better. So just a short little tip. Melamine can work really well, called magic eraser, but use it sparingly because it will take off the shininess, the clear part of the thing. So you want to just use it in spots where you've got grime and it just wouldn't come up. It just absolutely wouldn't come up. You could also use it in spots where it's not necessarily noticeable, but then if it's not noticeable, why are you killing yourself cleaning it? I don't know. But there you have it. Making progress on this thing. As you can see, I've pulled the ramp off. Broken plastic there. Going to be fixing rubbers and stuff. So stay tuned for more in this series. We're going to get this game working soon. Until next time, thanks for watching.